Hey guys, we had a very bad ice storm and it knocked some trees, and now it's in front of our driveway that we can't even get out of our house.
And we can't even get out of our house.
And we have no power, no electricity, no water. And there's the branch.
The only way to get out of our driveway is to drive underneath this branch, and our driveway is blocked by that stuff.
We have so many broken tree branches. Hey guys, we're trapped at our house, and my dad has to get a chainsaw to cut a branch down because it's too close to our car and we're afraid it might fall on top of us. We can't even get through our driveway. We have so many broken trees.
This is crazy.
It's so cold! Hey guys, you can see the ground. It's crazy ice. This is super slippery. Like, it's so slippery. And our trees are falling down. I wish they weren't. It's really sad. These trees were here when we first moved in, and I'm scared. There's a tree hanging over us right now that could fall on top of us. Maybe kill us. But I don't know. Oh, Dad, it's that fall. I saw it. Guys, get! Oh my God. Oh my Dad, be careful! Guys, this is so crazy and so cool at the same time. This one's about to go. It's about to fall now because I just want to...
Comment down below if you've been in like a situation like this.
Okay, now it's starting to pour rain. Now it's starting to rain.
Our dad's still cutting down trees, and we're trying to get out, and we don't have power, so we're gonna go eat breakfast somewhere as soon as our tree branches get cleared. It started pouring rain.
Thanks, Dad, for cleaning the branches so we can go eat breakfast at IHOP.
Guys, IHOP's closed. They don't have power either.
We don't have any power, and we had a gas leak, so we're waiting for the gas company to fix
no.
everything. So I apologize.
No, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
No food. We've been to 2 places now and they don't have power and we're just trying to find somewhere to eat. I'm starving. Breakfast stop number 3 and they are closed.
I'm so hungry.
Not Jimmy's egg.
The 4th place, still no power.
So hungry.
We're at our 5th place now and me and my dad are gonna go inside and see if they're open. They have power. Hopefully the wait is not too long. Whoa, I got fell. Now we wait.
I'm still starving.
For an hour and a half just to find some food. So hungry. We finally get to order.
I'm so hungry.
It's finally time to eat. Oh, we're stuffed. Now we're gonna head home to see if we have some power.
Cross your fingers.
Look at that rain. Guys, this tree fell down from up there somewhere and it could have busted out our window. That's crazy.
It did.
Well, it could have. We had a ramp set up. And it fell on our jump we made. Hey guys, we just got home and we're gonna go see if we have some power.
Who made Elsa mad?
Dang it!
Hey, there's Buddy. You
We still have no power.
Creative eyes.
Look.
This was on a. This is on a big seashell over here. Seashell. This is on a seashell.
This is on a seashell. Pretty cool. It's like bumpy. You almost.
Oh!
And break. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set it free.
Let's see what Buddy does.
Buddy, what is it?
He's like, oh, he licked it.
I saw his nose.
What? Hold on, watch.
Opa!
Ow!
Guess what?
We have power!
Woo!
We didn't have power for 2 whole days.
So we had to go stay with our uncle. Lots of people didn't have power for weeks.
We're so sad for them. We're so happy our power's back on. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye!